Global Underwriters Travel Insurance Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to our Global Underwriters Travel Insurance Review. In this video, we'll break down the features, who it's designed for, and whether it's the right choice for your travel needs. Links to the products are provided in the description if you'd like to explore further or get covered today. Let's dive in. Global Underwriters is a trusted name in travel insurance, offering a variety of plans tailored for international travelers, expats, and high-risk individuals. Their flagship product, Diplomat Series Insurance, includes plans like Diplomat International and Diplomat America. These plans are designed to provide robust medical coverage and protection against travel mishaps for U.S. and non-U.S. citizens traveling abroad or visiting the United States. One of the standout features of Global Underwriters is its comprehensive medical coverage. Their plans include emergency medical expenses, hospital stays, prescription medications, and even emergency medical evacuations, which are crucial in life-threatening situations. Additionally, they offer options for accidental death and dismemberment, AD&D coverage, catering especially to high-risk travelers such as adventure seekers or individuals traveling to unstable regions. Global Underwriters policies also allow flexibility in coverage duration, making them suitable for short vacations, long-term assignments, or extended stays abroad. Their customizable coverage options let you tailor a plan based on your needs, whether you prioritize medical care, trip cancellation, or evacuation. A key benefit of Global Underwriters is their specialized coverage for high-risk activities like extreme sports or war zone travel, which sets them apart from many competitors. If you're planning to engage in hazardous activities or work in challenging environments, their plans provide peace of mind. However, it's important to note that some plans may have higher premiums, especially for high-risk coverage, and not all features are included in the basic packages. Be sure to carefully review the policy details to avoid any surprises. In conclusion, Global Underwriters Travel Insurance is ideal for travelers seeking comprehensive and flexible plans, especially for medical emergencies or high-risk travel. It's a solid choice for adventure seekers, expats, and those needing specialized coverage. Check the links in the description to learn more or purchase a plan today. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.